how to clear cache and improve Waze performance. Let's jump right in. If Waze feels slow, crash, or the map doesn't load properly, clearing the cache can speed things up instantly. Start by opening your phone settings, not the Waze app. Scroll down and tap App or App Management depending on your device. Find and select Waze from the app list. Next, tap on Stories. Here you will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Don't touch Clear Data, it logs you out and remove preference. Tap Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files without affecting your account, save place, or settings. Once done, go back and force stop the app by tapping force stop. This resets the app session and frees up the memory. Now reopen the Waze app. You will notice faster loading, smooth map, and better performance. And just like that, your Waze is lighter and faster. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.